Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So recently I was trying to sculpt something. It was a human head to be precise. And while sculpting the head, I had to switch between browser or file explorer to view the reference images. And it was really frustrating for me. Really frustrating for me because I think it wasted a lot of time and it distracted my mind while doing that. So I searched on YouTube that how can I solve this problem? I didn't find something there because maybe my prompt was wrong. But I find something on Google that was a software named pureref. So you basically drag some images in there which you want to view, and you place it anywhere on the screen, and it will stay pinned even if you are using another software. For example, Blender in my case. And I used their software for some time, but actually I had to block something. Like maybe if I placed it right here, from right here to right here, then this part of my screen is blocked. So usually what people do is they block the outliner because it is rarely used, right? But in my case I had to use it very often. I don't know what I was doing. There was a case when I had to use this very often. I think I was switching between eyes and the skull. So PureIF was not really effective in that, and I didn't wanted to block my properties also. So that is why I decided to make a new add-on. And I think that many of you face this problem too, right? And it's really frustrating when you have to switch between other softwares or when your view is blocked. So let's see what my add-on does and how it works. You can get it from the link in description below. It is available on Blender Market and Gumroad. And you download it, you will get a zip file, you install it. If you don't know how to do it, that just click on this arrow right here and choose install from disk, then choose the file path uh, of the zip, and then click install from disk. Yes, install from disk. You will get this pop up right here automatically. If you don't get, just type ref and you will see it. You should see it if it is installed correctly, and enable it. Now you will see that nothing has changed in the viewport, right? Everything is similar to before. So even if you see it right here, a new tab appears, and you got only two options. And if you choose it, so let's choose some images. uh, yes, let's choose this image. You will see nothing really happened, right? But actually if you hover over this icon right here, let's press N. If you hover over this icon, the icon you use to change your editor type, and press 5, not on the numlock part, not on the numlock, I mean on the keyboard itself. It is available on every keyboard, I think, the numbers above the letters. And if you press that 5, you will see that your editor type changed to image editor, and now it is enabled. It's just once that you have to hover over it and press 5 to make it work. It's the first time only when you start the Blender, not every time. And now you can press it on everywhere, even on viewport. You can see that it works. Even outside the Blender it works. And now when you press 5, it will switch between image editor and outliner. If you hold 5, it will switch to image editor till the 5 is holded, and switch back to outliner if the 5 is left. I mean, the finger is picked up from the 5. And it is really helpful, I think, because just pressing one key gets your image. And now the other problem is that you can view only one image, not the other ones, right? You can see that I can press 5 and I have to change it from right here, and it's a kind of hassle too. It's same as just switching from browser. So to solve that, I have applied some effects to other key also. If you press 5 and keep holding it and press 6, you will switch between images. See, this is 6 is for going forward and 4 is for going backwards. See that? So that is my add-on, and I hope you will like it, and I hope it will be helpful for many people who are sculpting and do not want to switch between browsers and do not want to block any view. So you can get it from Gumroad and Blender Market from the link in description. So thank you for watching the video, and let me know if you want something added in this add-on. Maybe I can improve something, or maybe I can remove something if you didn't like something, or change the shortcut keys, anything. Thank you.